Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling this morning? Today is the 31st of January. um, Looking to take buys on support here on gold. I'm really liking the setup here. I do understand this could be relatively like a retracement play for sells as well. I'm a little impatient to try and wait for that. Also, it is going to be New York session, so with New York session, I'm anticipating a lot of volume. With volume, I'm anticipating that we're able to get a nice push clean up to the top. Um, let's see here. Let's see how big our stop loss got to be. Wow. So our stop loss is gonna be really big. But our take profit does still make sense. I'm gonna take one entry here, and then I'll take another entry somewhere else potentially. I might be down to risk the full 3% today. But if I was to risk the full 3%, I think I'm gonna wait. You know what I'm saying? If like the next candle opens, we might get a better little entry. We might be able to get more drawdown. With more drawdown, I'll go ahead and maybe enter that next position. Let me go ahead and get them tunes on real quick. Get my boy Mario put me on that shit. He got me right. He found the right videos. Haha, let's go. I'm not gonna lie, ladies and gentlemen. Part of me really wants to enter another position with this. I think I am just gonna chill though. I don't think I'm gonna really try and enter nothing. Haha, yeah, this motherfucking song though. You feel me, man? That's what I'm talking about. Mm-mm. Yep.
All your business needs, one single platform. Go to Wix.com and get a robust booking solution that takes your business further. Set up your services, like classes, courses, or appointments. Choose how you get paid, in person or online through leading payment providers. And let the bookings roll in from any channel. All your activity is synced in real time to Man, this shit funny as hell.
Kansas City, Google Fiber is expanding in your area. We're bringing award-winning gigabit internet to thousands of new addresses in your city. Check your availability at fiber.google.com.
Oh man, this is the original right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, sir. This song reminds me of a duck. As you can see on the right, you can see GJ starting to really push down. All right, let's go back to classic, the classic.
Wait, are you looking for a little known way to make money online from anywhere in the world, even during a recession?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, bro. So something I gotta be careful here, especially with the 30-minute, is candles closing bearish on us. Could be easy retracement play. So I want to keep that in the back of my head here. Especially how this candle's starting to form. Not giving me the most promising hopes here. Glacius, bro. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, my bro. We're just in a little bit of buys here right now with the support for gold. Um, thing I do gotta understand is relatively risky here is that this could be a retracement play for a sell position potentially, but we'd have to form somewhere, or I would have to say around 1914, somewhere around here, maybe develop a bearish candle, and then we can start trading below. Obviously, that could also start here as well if we just ended up trading bearish candle, but being that it is 7 o'clock New York session, um, yeah, you know, exactly. Gold melted in London session, so being that it melted, I'm expecting some pretty clean traffic. Obviously, I'm not expecting, you know, recorrect this entire move, right? But I am expecting to recorrect some of that move, right? So, um, we'll just take the look and see how that ends up working out for us. But yeah, London session, though, definitely melted. Congratulations to anybody that caught those sells there. 100%. So also, I want to let you guys know, just in case anybody did join a little bit late, I have moved my stop loss a little bit more. I've trailed my stop loss here. Stop loss was originally around like 1925, pretty big stop loss, about 73 pips. Um, so it's about 73 pips. So we went in profits. I was about maybe like 20, 23, 21 pips profit. And then it started kind of coming back down on us, you know, trading about 10 pips, 15 pips profit. Obviously now we're starting to look like the candle's starting to flip. We got, I'll say about 11 minutes left in the candle. So depending on what this candle does, is really going to determine how I'm going to try and manage my position because um, clearly not looking the greatest. But we do have to remember we've yet to make a liquidity wick here on this bullish candle. So for all we know, this could be a nice liquidity wick for us to keep pushing back up. You know, within like maybe the last 5 minutes, right? These 5 minutes we might start making a liquidity wick, and then the last 5 minutes we'll try trading bullish again. So I am going to stick to the bias, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not going to just kind of fold and try and cut too early yet. You know what I'm saying? It is only 1.5%, so being 1.5%, you know, I think it's smartest to just try and let things hit your stop loss and your parameters, stick to your analysis. I don't think it's the smartest idea to always be 50% in positions because then, you know, it shows that you're kind of relatively losing a lot of confidence in the position. And, you know, dealing with drawdown is always going to be part of trading, something we always got to remember. No matter how, you know, what level of, you know, trader you are, you're always going to deal with drawdown, and something we just got to be relatively used to dealing with. Um, so, you know, of course it does. It's always a strange feeling when you go from, you know, bigger profits to then going back down and losing money, right? Then kind of makes you feel a little, you know, am I making the right decisions? You know what I'm saying? It's one of those things. But for me, knowing that I've trailed my stop loss, honestly, is reassured me that I am making the right decisions here. Thing is, obviously, am I making the right decision on bias purpose, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm buying it here when it could be a nice retracement play. Like I told you guys, I feel like the retracement play could be a better played out around 1916. I feel like that's going to be a good spot for sales to play out, but you know, it's all in speculation, guys. You know, I'm only trying to get better every single day. I'm not perfect, so this analysis could be you know, tested. You know, it's always going to be tested, but it could be the probability couldn't be in my favor. Let's just put it that way. So far, looking good again. We had to get a little bit of a wick there, which I'm honestly thankful for. Thankful we got a liquidity wick. We didn't have really no liquidity wick. We just went straight to profits. So, you know, it's always kind of a weird situation there. It's good, right? But it's only good if you have a small stop loss, right? My stop loss was huge. It had to be huge in my opinion. I mean, you can always make your stop loss wherever you want to be, right? But I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Whenever like the candles like this, right, and you want to put a stop loss like maybe right here. Like, of course, we could have hit a 1-to-1 by now because obviously it's been like 20 pips, right? And I'm sure like right around here is, you know, a little bit less than 20 pips. But my point to you guys is how easy it is for a candle like this just to exhaust hit your stop loss right here. It'd be so fast. It'd be like, you know, we can enter the position and be, you know, already hit our negative 1.5% within like 3 minutes of the trade. You know, that's a pretty shitty feeling. As great as a feeling it is to take profit and hit your 1-to-1 really fast, I feel like if price action makes sense for my stop loss to be that small, I'll make it that small. But if price action doesn't make sense for me to make my stop loss that small, I'm not gonna make that. I'm not gonna take that risk. You know, like for instance, obviously, like I'm not ever gonna do this, right, or anything like that. But hypothetically, right, if we were to make like a buy position here on pound yen, right, this is gonna be a small ass stop loss. I mean, that's like a 10 pip stop loss. Look how much higher my lot size is, 35 cent. You know what I'm saying? It's much higher. Not that that's even high at all, really. I mean, to be honest, not high at all, but still a very, very, very low lot size. Regardless, though, for my account, shit, that is a lot. You know what I'm saying? That's still 1.5%. And if we're able to hit that, I mean, that's an 8% gain if we were able to re-correct the entire move. Those are all unrealistic ideas, though, because also, you know, obviously candles trading bearish, XYZ. I'm trying to give you guys the example of, you know, what it means for my magic keys. You know what I'm saying? The further my stop loss, it's always going to make sure I always have 1.5% loss. So with that being said, it's like my lot size is only going to get lower the bigger the stop loss. That's why it's important that I hit my 1-to-1. And my 1-to-1 on this position actually was like 73 pips, guys. So even though we are up 28 pips right now, I have to be very patient. We have to be very, very delicate, cool back, you know what I'm saying, and look for that 73 pips. That is gonna be our initial take profit. I have moved my stop loss now to where we are at 60 pips, which is great because we have lowered our risk. If this candle just fucked us in the ass, I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, the next position is going to be a 1.5% dub, and you know, we've lost yesterday barely even, not even a fucking percent. It was like 0.02%. Beautiful. That's exactly what I want to do. We cut our loss short. Pound yen did not work in our favor. Was what it was. Gold here looks like it's relatively working in our favor here. We gotta fill this wick and also push back even or push further past that wick. I do feel relatively confident with price action pushing and having relatively sustainable price action to the top side, nearing 1916. But it's gonna be very critical for us to break this this wick as of right here at 1912.77. I think that is gonna be very, very important for us to break. Up until then, this position can, you know, we can just be chilling here for a little bit. You know, we might close bullish. Next candle starts developing a little bottom wick. We start trading back up, right? It might take us a little bit, you know what I'm saying? We do got major news events, though, at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. we do have really big news events, so we got to keep that in the back of our head. You know, depending on how the candles are starting to print, we might want to start, you know, taking profit, you know, cutting losses short, XYZ, you know what I'm saying? Because we just don't want to get wrecked by slippage. And I don't know what you guys know what slippage is, but if y'all don't know what slippage is, man, slippage is a bitch. Ain't nothing you can do about slippage. The slippage is only gonna make you lose more than your percent, more than your risk parameters, I guess that's to say. So it's at 9 a.m. when we have CB consumer confidence. Level of a composite index based on surveyed households. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Survey of about 3,000 households, which asked respondents to rate the relative level of current future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situations. Awesome. And then look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We are nearing about halfway. I'd say we're about halfway at this point. Feeling pretty good, guys. Glacius, man, I hope you're learning something today, man. Hope that, you know, that you tapped in with me today, that every day you have tapped in with my stream, that you've gotten you've received a relative learning lesson to something. And if not, man, I hope we're all just gaining experience. That's the most important thing, you know, gaining our experience. We're always going to learn that way. Through our own natural experiences as well. Also, ladies and gentlemen, my apologies yesterday. Not gonna lie, I got pretty busy. Got like a couple gun attachments in, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was like a kid in Christmas. You know what I'm saying? I got those couple of my attachments in for a couple of my pistols and a couple of attachments for some other things, and I had to get those things attached and suited up and everything like that. So not gonna lie, guys, I didn't end up getting to that Discord, but today, 100%, I'm really trying to get to that Discord. I am going shooting today. I want to practice. You know what I'm saying? I got some steel targets. It's always fun to do that. God bless America. It's great to live in the United States for that reason. You know, we can always train with whatever we got, and man, I can't lie. You know, I just think, hey, I got a lot of respect and a lot for other countries and whatnot, but I can't lie. That is one thing I gotta say I love about America, man. We get to be able to train with our weapons, and I think it's super awesome because you just never know what goes on in the world. And I feel like as an American citizen, it feels good to know that at least your average American citizen damn near can know how to handle a Russian rifle or an American rifle. I mean, you name it. There's a bunch of guns, but regardless, with how the world's going right now, I think it's very important that as Americans, I think people need to cut out this like black and white thing. The whole black and white thing is literally a thing in America. You know what I'm saying? Like you go to Europe, you don't go to Europe and say I'm black. You don't go to Europe and say I'm white. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna look at you and be like, bro, you from Africa, bro. You from Egypt. You from Morocco. You from the Middle East. You got, if you're white, are you freaking from Poland, Czech Republic? You from, Scotland? You from England? You from whatever. My point being, only stupid thing about America is we feel like we're making our like they make up their own issues when it comes down to the race thing. Like it's so silly. It's on this points where it's like it's not even a big deal really. Like of course there's those issues within America, obviously, you know what I'm saying, where there's those racist people, right? But I mean that's a very small percent of the majority of what we got here. And I feel like a lot of people like to forget that America is originally meant to be a bunch of immigrants to come over here and make our country better, empower the people, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's a lot of times people like to forget that. And the number one day, we gotta just consider ourselves Americans. Whether you black, white, tan, red, blue, green, you American. If you born here, you get your citizenship here, you American at that point, baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh shoot, we're almost there. There we go. There it is. Stop loss and entry, ladies and gentlemen. Very interesting. Hope everybody's able to learn something today. We have a pretty successful day. Let me go ahead and update the Instagram. Hey, what's going on, IG? We're having another successful day today on the stream. Caught buys, caught our nice one-to-one position. We got our 1.5%. We have stop loss at break even at this point, and we've secured 90% of the position, and really just waiting for the rest of it to go ahead and hit full take profit. I believe around 9:16, we could probably start retracing. So around that point, we might which one close full. But yeah, everybody, thank you so much for tapping into my stream today. Glacius FX. Everybody that tapped into my stream today, I will be having a Discord that will be being created today. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tapping into my stream today. Like I said, it means a whole lot. Every day I'm trying to provide more and more value for everybody. Thank you so much. Hey, what's going on, IG? We're having another successful day today on the stream. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful. Honestly, I might just close full. I wouldn't want to hold the whole entire position, but honestly, yeah, we're just gonna close full. Only reason I want to close full, guys, is because personally just felt like it. Honestly, I didn't like I told you guys around 9:16 is a little delicate of a situation here, and I didn't want it just to start retracing on us, kind of fuck us. Husan, hey bro, got late today. Hey, it's no worries, my friend. You know what I'm saying? No worries at all. Today, guys, I want to remind you guys that I will be making my Discord today for you guys. And just to be a reminder with the Discord community chat is primarily focused upon. Oh, now we would have smashed our take profit there. Wow, how great! That is excellent. So great trading day today. Smash take profit. Hold on one second. I'm gonna explain something. I just wanna I gotta add the mentor. You know what I'm saying? Gotta at the Magic Keys, and I gotta at the stock brokerage, cause you know Dominion Markets got great spreads. Beautiful. Fuck yeah, mate. I'm feeling good as shit, man. Yeah. Hell yeah. Shout out to everybody, man. Oh my god, that motherfucker on my Instagram sound crazy. Niggas yelling on that bitch. But yeah, man. So shit. Okay, so Glacius and Husan, um, yeah, the most definitely. Anybody that maybe I explained this a little bit yesterday as well, but just as a reminder, today 100% getting that Discord done. Had something I was taking care of yesterday, but like I was gonna explain to you guys though, the Discord is primarily focused on my community posting their charts and their trades, getting their experience because that's the most important thing to me. Whether if it's more comfortable for you to trade London session or New York session or whatever session, even if it's Asian session, right? If I have some people in my community that trade Asian session, I'm gonna make a little hashtag, like little server for each one of these things. You know what I'm saying? For New York session, Asian session, and London session. I want all my people that are tapping in with my YouTube live streams. You know what I'm saying? Or in the morning time, if you guys are learning from them. You know what I'm saying? After you guys work, you guys tap into my stream, see my analysis, kind of see what my thought process is behind these trades. You know what I'm saying? X Y Z. We go from there, right? If you guys trade the London session, I just want to basically see everybody's experience, right? Experience and consistency. That's the number one thing. I feel like we always got to be posting. Once I create this Discord, the idea is to always make sure that we're creating an analysis beforehand. Maybe so, for instance, for me, I might make a little analysis on a prediction on what could happen during London session, right? That gives us a better understanding for what we can expect during New York session. Obviously, London session had melted, created as very clean wicks, very clean ranges. At that point, it was very easy to react off a buy on support, especially during high volatility times like New York session. It's like clockwork. That's exactly why we want to be trading 1 to 2 trades, or excuse me, 1 to 2 trades every day, and also 1 to 2 pairs, and also one session in particular. It's so important. We got to be trading one session in particular because we're developing these habits. We're developing how to understand how price action moves relatively better with our sessions, our news events, XYZ, right? It's all a matter of just staying consistent. And that's what I want with our community, 100%. I want us to all be consistent, hold each other accountable, make sure. I mean, obviously, if you're feeling sick or you got a rough day, bro, it's best not to trade. It's best, honestly, not to trade so you don't fucking lose capital on a situation where maybe you're not in your best mindset, right? But if it's not for that reason and you don't feel sick, like, man, if you got like a little headache, man, that should be no reason. It should just treat it like a 9-to-5 job, man. Only time you should, notify that shit, man, if you got like, you shouldn't trade if you got diarrhea, a fever, or you know what I'm saying, something like a real sickness, you feel me? But like if you just got a little light something, man, we got to understand that we got to make sure we're always taking care of business. And if we want to make sure that if we want to make this a main business, we got to treat it like a main business, you know? So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, I am going to be ending the stream. I understand that we could probably get a retracement play here. I'm not going to disregard that. I just personally think for me, just really trying to focus on my consistency, and honestly, I got a few more things to take care of my day. That's the beautiful thing about being a scalper. Obviously, we're not making necessarily the huge amount of money as of right now, right? But the idea is just getting our consistencies down, right? And obviously, within time, that money is going to come. You know what I'm saying? But regardless, though, Glacius, my boy, Husan, Mario, thank you guys so much for tapping into my stream today. I will be having that Discord up for you guys later in this evening. It'll say it's going to be towards the evening time, but we are going to have it up. I'll give it update on my Instagram, letting you guys know when it's going to be up. So, Glacius, man, have a great day. Husan, have a great day. Mario, thank you much, buddy. Have a great day. Anybody else who would tapped into my stream and learned something, please drop a like on my stream. You know, guys, I always appreciate it. Don't ever drop a like, though, if you ain't learned something. But if you learned something today, drop me a like. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day. Peace.